And just by being in a different part of the world, you get a different way of looking at things and how you approach problems and school. I know that it's helped me when I've started my grad studies just to be able to reflect on the experiences that I've had.
We do have a lot of international students, but when you're the international students, it's totally different experience. So like the fact that you get to meet these people who come from like totally different walks of life and are there for all different reasons, it really changes how you also come into contact with people on campus when you come back. Like I totally noticed it, how I interacted with my classmates and also like working at the study abroad office, how I interacted with other students who are interested in going abroad. So you get this passion where you start like meeting new people through studying abroad. And not only abroad, but when you come back and you exchange stories like what we are doing now.
Yeah. But when you're there, it's just, there's so many opportunities presented to you at so many different times. Like, yeah, I'm going to go to Ireland for St. Patrick's Day,
Why not? Why not? Yeah.
Or,
I'm actually leaving for Ireland and the UK on Saturday.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
For 18
And
days.
you have like connections over there, and you're gonna meet you're gonna go hang out with the people that maybe you took classes with.
Well, that was exactly it. Like leaving there, I'm like, I know people all over Europe. Like it makes going back way easier because now you're like, if all you need is a couch to crash on, like I have
That's fine.
7 or 8 different countries I can do that.
It was just a different experience in school as well, just to see how they did things there, and how they even treated the international students. Like we were so welcomed. It was amazing.
People have this like fear of the unknown, but once they're totally immersed in it, they're like, oh yeah, bring it. Come on, give it to me.